Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sign a document on the Signeasy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the My Library button, which is the third option. Click on a document and tap on Start Signing. Tap on Sign Document, which is the first option. And after that you should select whether you want to add your signature. That's the first button, your initial, your name, and so on. So tap on Signature, then select the tint color and add your signature here. Tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen, and it will be added to your screen, as you can see, but make sure that you choose a different color than that of your background. So tap on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen to complete signing by tapping on the first button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.